I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a mint mongoose for you. I always get so excited about my mint mongoose because it's so inexpensive and the jewelry is always so much fun. Okay, I'm gonna tear through this beautiful blue package. Okay, here we go. Okay. Ooh, there's a ring in here and a little Werther's Original. I always love those butterscotch candies. Oh, cute. This is a rose gold. It looks like it's one of those adjustable types, you know, so there we go. Cute, right? Okay, we have some earrings here. They're like tangled together. Hang on. There we go. Oh, these are cute. Cute, right? Just like little teardroppy things. Those are nice. They're kind of dainty and elegant. I love these. They're perfect. And then this looks like maybe a necklace. Oh, wow. Okay, it's definitely a necklace. And look at that. It matches the earrings. Very nice. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love this set with the earrings and the necklace. Very cute. Another awesome package. And this is what, $12 for a box like this? You can also get the more expensive one, which I've never actually gotten, but it is supposed to be, you know, higher quality or more jewelry or something like that. Anyway, I'm perfectly great with the cheaper one because I always get fun stuff. Who gets mint mongoose out there? Let me know. What do you think of the box? Do you love it? Do you get the big one or the regular small one? All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!